Hey guys, welcome back. Imagine a device so compact it fits in your pocket, yet powerful enough to capture stunning aerial photos and videos with effortless precision. It's not just any gadget. This innovative marvel can take off at the push of a button and follow you wherever you go, recording every moment in breathtaking detail. With advanced AI-driven flight modes and seamless social media integration, it's the ultimate tool for modern photographers and adventurers alike. Intrigued? Stick around as we dive into the incredible features of this cutting-edge device. You don't want to miss this. Looking for an affordable and fun way to explore the world of smartphone-controlled robots? Meet the Rolling Spider Mini Drone and Jumping Sumo Mini Drone. These affordable, fun, and innovative drones are perfect for kids and beginners exploring the world of smartphone-controlled robots. The Rolling Spider Mini Drone, a compact quadcopter, is simple to assemble and comes with protective wheels. After charging the battery and downloading the FREEFLY 3 app, it's ready to fly. The app, while not highly intuitive for beginners, allows for fun aerial maneuvers like 360-degree spins. The drone features a bottom-facing 640 by 480 camera for photos, though live streaming is unavailable. Its main drawback is a short battery life of about 10 minutes, but additional batteries can extend the fun. The Jumping Sumo Mini Drone, a ground-based vehicle, connects via Wi-Fi and also uses the FREEFLY 3 app. It features an easy-to-use interface and a front-facing camera for live streaming, stills, and videos. Its standout feature is its ability to jump up to 80 centimeters, making it exciting and quick to maneuver. However, its 20-minute battery life can be limiting. Both drones sport designs that reflect their playful names, with animalistic features and customizable stickers. The Jumping Sumo has robust rubber wheels for durability, while the Rolling Spider's optional wheels allow it to run up walls and protect its blades. These drones are designed to be safe for indoor use, ensuring minimal damage to the surroundings. Performance-wise, if you're familiar with Parrot's AR series, adapting to these new models will be straightforward. However, new users might find the touchscreen controls less responsive than traditional joysticks, leading to a learning curve. The Jumping Sumo's controls include quick-turn options and jumping buttons, while the Rolling Spider offers preset tricks like loops and flips, adding to the fun. The primary limitation for both drones is battery life. The Rolling Spider offers about 10 minutes of flight, and the Jumping Sumo lasts around 20 minutes. Swapping batteries can mitigate this issue, though they must be charged via the drone itself. Introducing the ANI Drone K04 Folding Aircraft Portable Mini Drone, a compact and powerful gadget designed for both fun and functionality. Equipped with advanced features, this mini drone offers a remarkable flying experience, making it ideal for adults and drone enthusiasts. The K04 drone boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 110-degree wide angle and 90-degree rotatable lens, capturing high-resolution images and stable videos even in challenging conditions. The 2.4 GHz FPV transmission ensures smooth video feed during high-speed flights or in strong winds. One of its standout features is the auto-return function. Utilizing optical flow localization, the drone can automatically return home if it loses signal, goes out of range, or has a low battery, providing peace of mind during flights. The 2500 mAh battery offers up to 20 minutes of flight time, and user-friendly features like altitude hold, headless mode, and speed adjust make it accessible for beginners. The drone's foldable design and included carrying case make it extremely portable and perfect for outdoor adventures. Weighing under 250 grams, it also avoids the need for Federal Aviation Administration or FAA registration, adding to its convenience. Intelligent functions enhance the flying experience. The drone can follow you, fly along a preset route, or circle a point. Gesture controls allow you to take photos or videos with a simple hand movement. Built with durable plastic, metal, and electronic components, the K04 is designed for resilience. It features a brushless motor for efficient performance and wind resistance up to level 5. The 360-degree obstacle avoidance mode ensures safe navigation. For ease of use, the remote control integrates a storage design for the fan blades or protective frame, and the drone's lightweight and foldable body makes it easy to carry anywhere. Looking for a high-performing and versatile drone that's perfect for both beginners and seasoned pilots? Meet the 4DRC V8 drone. The 4DRC V8 drone is a high-performing, versatile, and affordable quadcopter, ideal for both beginners and seasoned pilots. With its durable ABS plastic body and electronic components, This drone promises an exciting flying experience. The V8 drone is available in sleek black and vibrant orange, boasting a compact and foldable design that makes it highly portable. Unfolded, it measures 11 by 13 by 4 centimeters, fitting easily into a backpack or pocket. This drone is equipped with a 6-axis gyro and a 7/116 brushed coreless motor, ensuring stable and smooth flights. It operates on a 2.4 G frequency with a 4-channel transmitter for a reliable, interference-free connection, and the remote control requires 3 AAA batteries. The V8 drone stands out with its camera options, offering 0.3 MP 480p, 1080p 5MP, and 4K versions for capturing stunning aerial photos and high-definition videos. It supports Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing real-time transmission of photos and videos to your mobile phone via apps and APK systems. Beginners will appreciate the altitude hold mode, which stabilizes the drone at a set altitude, making it easier to capture quality footage or perform maneuvers. The headless mode simplifies control by eliminating the need to adjust the drone's position before flight. Additionally, the one-button return function ensures the drone returns to its takeoff point effortlessly. You can also draw a flight path on your phone screen, and the drone will follow it autonomously. The V8 drone offers a flight time of 11 to 15 minutes, with a quick 40-minute charging time, thanks to its 3.7V 650 mAh LiPo battery. It includes spare blades and protection covers for durability. LED lights enhance visibility and add a visual spectacle, especially in low-light conditions. Ready to take your aerial photography to new heights? Meet the Hover 2 drone by 00 Robotics. The Hover 2 drone by 00 Robotics is an advanced and compact flying camera that builds on the success of its predecessor, the Hover Camera Passport. This new model features a foldable design, a sturdy carbon fiber cage, and a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. It captures stunning 4K videos at 30 FPS and 12 megapixel photos, now enhanced with a 2-axis gimbal for improved image stabilization. The Hover 2 drone boasts impressive flight capabilities with a maximum flight time of 23 minutes, thanks to its upgrade target. Enhanced AI features enable the Hover 2 to track subjects more accurately, even predicting their movements when temporarily out of sight. The new tracking system uses 3 cameras to determine the subject's distance and orientation, providing higher precision in subject tracking. The drone's new camera sensor and improved image quality allow for raw photo capture, and it now supports micro SD storage up to 128 gigabytes, with 8 gigabytes of internal memory included. The modular design allows users to replace the protective cage with propeller guards and landing gear, increasing flight speed and wind resistance. Control options have expanded with 2 new controllers, the Palm Pilot for one-handed operation and the Blast-Off controller for extended range and battery life. These controllers complement the smartphone app, which provides a range of autonomous flight modes such as track shots for dynamic video capture and auto frames for perfect still shots. The Hover 2 is designed to make aerial photography accessible and enjoyable for everyday users, offering intuitive controls, advanced tracking, and impressive flight stability. With its compact design, high-quality camera, and user-friendly features. It includes a swiveling optical radar system with stereo cameras for 360-degree obstacle avoidance, enhancing its ability to navigate and track subjects precisely. This feature allows the drone to fly safely in any direction while maintaining a clear view of the Hover 2 drone is an excellent choice for capturing life's moments from new heights. Experience the power of cutting-edge technology with the Hover 2 drone, featuring 4K video, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, and advanced AI tracking. This compact, foldable drone is perfect for capturing stunning photos and videos effortlessly. But that's not all. We have more exciting gadgets lined up just for you. Stay tuned for our next reviews. Introducing the Air Neo Selfie Drone, your perfect companion for capturing amazing aerial photos and videos without the high cost or complexity of traditional drones. Designed for those who want easy, fun photography, the Air Neo is perfect for family gatherings, outdoor adventures, or simply taking selfies when no one else is around. This pocket-sized drone is ultra-light and easy to carry, featuring a 12-megapixel camera that shoots 1080p videos at 30 FPS. It comes equipped with AI-powered flight modes, including manual, autofly, orbit, and 360-degree flying, allowing you to capture stunning footage effortlessly. The Air Neo also includes a 16GB SD card for ample storage and supports instant social media sharing via its user-friendly app. Setting up the Air Neo is simple. Just download the app, follow the instructions, and you're ready to fly. The drone's compact size makes it easy to handle, but it's best used in calm weather to avoid wind interference. Its 60-foot range and 6-minute flight time are perfect for quick shots and videos, with a power bank available for multiple charges on the go. Despite its small size, the Air Neo packs a lot of technology into its frame. The drone's built-in AI and auto-tracking capabilities make taking selfies and group photos a breeze. Whether you're a first-time flyer or a seasoned pilot, the Air Neo offers a fun and accessible way to capture your favorite moments from the sky. Introducing the Airblock, an innovative and educational toy robot that combines construction, programming, and fun. This unique gadget from MakeBlock allows users to build, program, and play with a modular drone that can transform into various shapes, such as a hovercraft, triangle, or spider. MakeBlock, founded in 2011 by Jason Wong, has made a significant impact in the educational technology space. The company's mission is to make programming accessible to everyone through a simple, user-friendly interface. Their products are used in over 140 countries and 20,000 schools, earning MakeBlock a reputation as the new generation of Lego. The Airblock is a testament to MakeBlock's innovative approach. It features magnetized, modular pieces made from lightweight yet durable foam, making it easy to assemble and disassemble without any tools. The drone's blades and fans are securely placed within hexagonal blocks, protecting them from damage and ensuring safety for users, especially children. Programming the Airblock is straightforward and intuitive. Thanks to MakeBlock's drag-and-drop graphical interface, users can create complex sequences of actions by simply arranging icons on a tablet or smartphone. This system is designed to be beginner-friendly, making it an excellent educational tool for those new to programming. The Airblock's modular design offers endless creative possibilities. With its magnetic connections, users can easily transform the drone into different forms and even integrate it with LEGO Technic parts to create new and exciting inventions. The main control module features LED lights, a barometer, an ultrasonic sensor, a gyroscope, and a Bluetooth module, providing advanced functionality for various applications. Can a drone combine the precision of a quadcopter with the speed of a fixed wing? Introducing the PlusOne, a groundbreaking hybrid drone that combines the precision hovering of a quadcopter with the high-speed flight of a fixed wing. Unlike traditional drones that excel only at hovering, the PlusOne can reach speeds over 60 miles per hour, making it perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects. The PlusOne is designed for easy operation, whether you're a novice or an experienced pilot. It transitions smoothly between hover and forward flight modes with a simple switch, managed by an onboard computer and sensors. This drone can carry various cameras, including GoPros, and features an optional stabilizing gimbal for smooth video. The key innovation is its upward-facing wing, allowing the PlusOne to fly nose-first at high speeds. Flight control is achieved by varying motor speeds for pitch, roll, and yaw, eliminating traditional flight control surfaces and keeping the design lightweight and efficient. This drone includes advanced features like autonomous flight planning, follow-me mode, return to launch, and GPS-stabilized hovering. It's built from durable expanded polyolefin material, making it strong enough to withstand impacts while maintaining top speed. The PlusOne comes ready to fly with all necessary components, including a pre-bound transmitter, battery, and charger. It's an ideal choice for aerial photography enthusiasts and anyone looking for a versatile, high-performance drone. Ready to take your aerial cinematography to the next level? Meet the FREEFLY Alta 8, the professional octorotor drone that combines stability, power, and versatility. The FREEFLY Alta 8 is an advanced octorotor drone designed for professional aerial cinematography. It is compatible with the Movi gimbal, allowing filmmakers to capture stunning aerial shots with lightweight cinema cameras. With the capability to support payloads up to 20 pounds, the Alta 8 offers versatility and reliability for various filming scenarios. The drone features an octorotor configuration for stability and power, with gimbal mounting options for sky view and ground view of the aircraft. Its foldable prop arms and propellers make it highly portable, allowing for a compact footprint that enhances ease of transport. The Alta 8 employs the towed and the whole quick-release gimbal attachment mechanism for rapid assembly and disassembly. Equipped with 18-inch propellers and an optimized propulsion system, the Alta 8 achieves efficient flight times and heavy lifting capabilities. It can sustain flights of over 15 minutes with two 16-ampere-hour batteries and a 15-pound payload. The Synapse Intelligent Flight Control System integrates GPS, IMU, and barometer data for precise positioning and stable flight even in challenging conditions. The drone features adjustable real-time speed limits for precise camera movements, stable altitude control through height hold, and an automatic return-to-home function that avoids obstacles by flying at a safe, predefined height. High-speed data logging via micro SD card allows for performance analysis, And the Alta app provides comprehensive control and monitoring capabilities, accessing flight pack voltage, satellite count, flight mode, attitude, checklists, vibration levels, height, and temperature. The drone's folding frame reduces its size by 50% for easy transport, while a vibration isolation system mitigates high-frequency disturbances, enhancing image stability. Its weather-resistant enclosed design protects sensitive components, and enclosed receiver bays protect receivers from environmental damage. Custom-tuned sinusoidal motor drives provide optimal speed, reliability, and quiet operation. With PX4 integration, the Alta 8 supports advanced waypoint technology for flight planning and autopilot functionality, and long-range telemetry modems offer real-time access to flight information and mission planning up to 1,000 feet away. The Alta 8 can carry up to 20 pounds of payload, weigh 13 pounds, and achieve flight times of over 15 minutes with a 15-pound payload. Its dimensions are 640 millimeters in diameter when packed down, with a 1,296 millimeters wingspan. The package includes the Alta 8 drone, FPV camera, FPV transmitter, Futaba controller, and Pelican carry case, with additional accessories like batteries, Movi gimbal, transmitter, receiver, FPV system, aero landing gear, and various kits and spare parts available separately. The FREEFLY Alta 8 is ideal for professional filmmakers and cinematographers requiring heavy payload capacity and advanced flight control for high-end productions. It is a powerful, versatile, and reliable drone designed to meet the demands of the professional film industry, offering advanced features and robust performance for capturing high-quality aerial footage. Wow! Truly, the Parrot Rolling Spider and Jumping Sumo mini drones are perfect for beginners and kids, offering fun and easy controls despite their short battery life. For more advanced users, the A&E Drone K04, 4DRC V8, Hover 2, Air Neo, Airblock, X PlusOne, and FREEFLY Alta 8 provide unique features like high-speed flight, AI tracking, and professional-grade filming. These drones cater to various needs, from educational tools to professional cinematography. Drone technology is more exciting and accessible than ever. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Stay tuned for our next review of cool things available on Amazon. Thanks for watching.